Hello, everyone. Booboo is here again as promised. Did you all understand what we talked about in the previous episode? Which was about how workers and machines work together to achieve high-quality products. Now, let's follow Booboo into the workshop to see how bamboo is pressed, trimmed, and sanded. First, the selected bamboo strips will be sent to the gluing workshop, where manual or machine methods are used to apply a suitable amount of glue to the corresponding surface, depending on the required pressing method. Don't worry, the glue used is not going to dry out immediately. It is a special environmentally friendly glue that needs further processing to form. The glue, once dried, cannot be easily separated in daily use. Next, the bamboo strips with glue are sent to the hot pressing workshop. Workers will arrange the bamboo strips neatly according to the pressing method, and multiple pieces of bamboo board can be hot pressed at one time based on the maximum capacity of the hot press. Let's take a closer look at this giant machine that works with steam. Its name is multi-layer hot press machine, with a main pressure of up to 1500 tons and a side pressure of 400 tons. Utilizing high temperature and high pressure, it can tightly press bamboo strips into bamboo boards. After hot pressing and cooling, the bamboo board looks like this, with uneven edges. If the board is sold directly, we will carry out edge trimming to make it look neat and beautiful, and easy to transport and package. After that, the bamboo board needs to be sanded to ensure a smooth surface, which is not easy to hurt people and is beneficial for subsequent processes. The sanding of the board is completed by a sanding machine. Workers only need to feed the board into the machine, and the machine will operate according to the established program. After sanding, the board will be collected and stored in the warehouse or sent to the next process workshop.